Hello, it's Tuesday, July 10th, 2012, and I'm Tony Christopher with the Daily Outlook from UFX Markets. Wall Street closed the trading day in the red after a jump in Spanish bond yields above 7% intensified concern about Europe's crisis and as investors awaited Alcoa AA Inc.'s results. The Nasdaq fell by 0.19%, the Dow Jones lost 0.28% of its value, and the S&P closed negative, dropping by 0.18%. The US dollar fell versus most of the majors as finance ministers from the 17-nation currency bloc met to discuss measures to ease its debt crisis. The US dollar fell despite the fact that European Central Bank President Draghi signaled policymakers may be open to another interest rate cut if the economic outlook warrants it. We have to pay attention that rising in Spanish and Italian bonds may add to the risk sentiment among traders further on this month. The Euro-US dollar pair traded with a low of 1.2266 and with a high of 1.2323. Today, ECOFIN meetings is expected to take place during the day. With the British pound, the trend for the pair remains bearish if it maintains its resistance level of 1.5560, and it may test its strong support level of 1.5460 once again. In addition, the sterling hovers near 3.5 years peak versus the euro, as investors were concerned about the Eurozone debt crisis, which brought the pound as a safer alternative. Today, manufacturing production is expected to grow by 0.10% versus minus 0.70% previously. Turning to commodities now, gold advanced by 0.40%, closing at $1,587 an ounce, and crude oil rose for the first time in 3 days, adding to its value 1.05%, closing at $85.70 a barrel. Well, that's it for today. I'm Tony Christopher for the Daily Outlook. Be sure to find out more at ufxmarkets.com.